I love making simple and delicious breakfast recipes, so today I'm going to be showing you a very basic crepe recipe that you're absolutely going to love. And the best part of this recipe is that I'm going to be using a blender to mix up my ingredients, which is going to take about a minute. Yep. So to get started, I'm going to pick up my blender, add in the wet ingredients. So I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of milk, crack in 2 eggs, next I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and once done with the wet ingredients, I'm going to add in the dry. So I'm going to add in some sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and my all-purpose flour. This is a cup of all-purpose flour. Cover and blend. It is that easy. When all the ingredients are fully combined, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and blend for 30 seconds. Now it's time to cook my crepes. So I'm going to place a pan over medium heat. Place this aside. So you've seen in about 1 minute, everything is fully combined and ready to cook. So once done making the crepe batter, it's going to be runny and smooth with no lumps. You can see the back of my spoon has no lumps. I'm going to use a third cup and scoop out my batter. Then let the excess drip and transfer to my pan. And immediately you add the butter, you're going to spread the butter around in the pan, just like I'm doing. Let the crepe cook for about 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. When you notice a very nice golden brown color on the edges of the crepes, it's time to flip. Just like that. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of oil to my pan and let the other side of the crepe cook. After 30 seconds, I'm going to flip and look how gorgeous my crepe is looking. So I'm going to transfer on my plate and continue making the rest. Add in some more butter, stir around just like that. You have to be very fast so that the butter is evenly distributed in the pan, and then I'm going to cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. So you check on the level of flames that you're using. I'm using medium flame. And the crepes are smelling incredible because we added some vanilla. So after 30 seconds, you'll notice a very nice golden brown color on the edges. So it's time to flip. And to add some very nice dark spots on my crepes, I'm going to add in a little bit of cooking oil. If you have cooking spray, you can use that as well. Move the crepe around and let the pan do its own thing. So this is a very incredible breakfast recipe which takes absolutely no time to make. So I hope you'll be trying out making crepes in a blender. Done. This one is done, so I'm going to transfer to my plate and make some more. my last crepe. Spread the batter. So it has been an amazing 10 minutes. Yes, it is that fast. So you can make crepes in the morning and go to work, or make for your kids when they're going to school, pack for them for their snacks, and it's going to be very easy and quick. To make these crepes, I would recommend you use a non-stick pan because it's going to give you very awesome and gorgeous crepes. So there you go, guys. My crepes are ready and they're looking perfect and delicious, and you can serve the crepes either for breakfast or for lunch, or as a side dish for either lunch or dinner. They're that versatile. So I hope you'll be trying out this crepe recipe, and also I've linked several other crepe recipes in the description box down below, and I hope to catch you on my next video. Bye.